Hi guys, welcome back to FinPact. Today I have a really cool crypto M&A project for you guys, and I have been fortunate enough that they have sponsored this video. And many of you guys don't actually know, but I used to work in investment banking. I did an internship and I was in the investment banking side and I worked within leveraged finance, but I covered a lot to do with M&A and capital markets in my degree. And I also got a lot of exposure on that internship that I did at Morgan Stanley. So this project resonated with me so much, especially given it's founded by a team of people with extensive M&A experience. And this is bringing M&A to crypto investors. This project is called Acquire.Fi. And they are making M&A deals inclusive to all investors. If you guys don't already know, M&A means mergers and acquisitions. Essentially, this is when a company wants to acquire another company or merge with another company and have synergies, which means maybe they save costs, so cost synergies, maybe they increase revenues, so they have revenue synergies. And this is exactly what Acquire.Fi does. They look at investment opportunities of all sizes and they want to make them accessible to all types of investors, be it retail or institutional. They essentially want to intersect risk-weighted asset ownership to DeFi investors. Financial products are coming to the crypto world, and this is very exciting. So I think it's pretty clear that Acquire.Fi is where investing and Web3 intersect and allow for wealth creation for all types of investors. The thing is, successful investors are looking for alpha, basically profits, and it's hard to vet different deals. Acquire.Fi does that for its investors. So the investors that join Acquire.Fi are constantly being presented with quality opportunities. The thing about M&A, and I can say this from prior experience in the investment banking sector, I felt that a lot of these deals were mainly open to large institutions or largely wealthy individuals. It was very hard to access for the average retail investor. That's why I really like that Acquire.Fi is actually leveling the playing field for all investors to get in this. In other words, they are empowering investors, they are vetting these deals, and they are investing sustainably. But the key thing is, the ethos is decentralized, unlike what you see in the normal banking sector where it's quite centralized. So Acquire.Fi is aiming to help people build positive investing habits and reach that financial freedom. Now let's take a quick look at their website. As you can see, it's home to exclusive crypto, blockchain, NFT, and Web3 M&A deal flow. This is a very niche sector, so I'm so glad that Acquire.Fi is doing this. They also have a $45,000 challenge to celebrate the upcoming Acquire.Fi MVP and the ACQ token launch. If you want to sign up to this contest, just simply go on their website. All the details are linked down below in the description box, and also all details of the sponsorship are also in the disclaimer. Also, they have already gotten mass coverage. Look at all the publications they have been featured in: CoinDesk, Investing.com, TechBullion, Crypto.news, so many big names, Bitcoin.com, Benzinga. They've also got an explanatory video on their website, so check that out. Again, the link is in the description box. Now, here's one of the most unique products they have. They are introducing fractionalized ownership of crowdfunded investments, and this is through NFTs. So essentially, they are making investing inclusive. Lots of different people can invest in an investment pool. That means the price of the investment is significantly lower. Crowdfunding is essentially where people fund a project or venture by raising money from a large number of people. So they are going to bring such deals to these investors. And it's going to range from all sorts of sizes, from $100 to $100 million, and this will be using NFTs. It's great that they're using NFTs because it's a good way to transfer ownership of this investment via an NFT. Now, they also have the traditional investments like a typical mergers and acquisitions deal where investors are funding the transaction. So investors can fund traditional acquisitions in their investment pools using crypto. So it's a great way of investing crypto and remaining on-chain in the Acquire.Fi ecosystem. The thing about traditional investments is that sometimes they're not liquid, meaning you can't really sell them or buy them that easily. You might be tied up for a period of time. With Acquire.Fi, the NFTs are liquid and can be sold on the secondary marketplace. And they have their own secondary marketplace. So just to summarize what they have Web3 deal flow, and this is going to be the future in my own personal opinion. Web3 is one of the biggest revolutions in the last few years. It really brings ownership of assets and internet content to the users. And as I mentioned, they also have investment pools, they have fractionalized ownership, exclusive M&A opportunities. I think one of the most genius things that they're doing is that their investment pool NFTs represent the ownership. Like I mentioned, they use the NFTs as a vehicle, as a method of providing ownership, which is incredibly unique and making use of new modern technology that we have today and things like NFTs. They also have native Web3 M&A expertise, so the team do have a background in M&A, and their aim is so that investors get financial freedom. So here is their core team. You can check out the details of what the team does on their website. Their LinkedIns and Twitters are connected. And of course, they're all fully doxed. So here's some crypto M&A and venture stats for 2021. So in venture funding allocated at $25.1 billion, $6 billion in crypto M&A volume, and 1,703 crypto blockchain venture deals. And the M&A year-over-year increase is 730%. Now let's go on to the tokenomics for the ACQ token. It's built on ERC20 and the total supply for this token is 300 million. Now out of this 300 million, 8.5% goes to the team, 2.5 goes towards angel investors, 6.5 goes towards seed investors, 11.5% goes towards the first private sale, 6% goes towards the second private sale, 2% goes towards the public sale, 10% is going towards liquidity. This helps give us a price floor and provides liquidity as well. 15% goes towards the community, 30% goes towards treasury, 5% towards marketing, and 3% towards advisors. And what's really great is that they've outlined the different advisors and their background, so you can also check that out on their website. Now you can also check out their roadmap. In 2022, the main focus in the beginning has been raising funds in the private first and second sales and the seed and angel sales. Then in September, the token generation event and expanding the team. In Q1 of 2023, they want to focus on loans and lending and then have their version 2 platform, which includes smart contracts, Web3 functionality, proof of funds, IP licensing, crowdfunding functionality. This will be very key. And in Q4 of 2022, they want to create a due diligence bounty hunter program. Due diligence basically means you're doing your research on every nook and cranny of a deal and checking that everything really is what it is based on what the company has reported it is. And platform MVP is where they're going to have stake for rewards, buy and sell functions, listing applications, valuation calculators, and much more different functionality. And then in Q1 2023, they also want to have an alternate chain integration. So that will be very cool, that they're going to be using different blockchains, a multi-chain escrow, a decentralized marketplace where you can, of course, sell those NFTs and or buy. And then in Q4 2023, they want to raise for the Acquire investment decentralized autonomous organization. So that's very cool. And here are some of their partners. We have Token Nova, Voz, Black Dragon, MyBit, Magnus Capital, MGMT Capital, Yield Labs, and many more. If you want to become a buyer, simply click on buy and you can register as a buyer with Acquire.Fi. If you want to be a seller, then you can list a business on the Acquire.Fi marketplace. So guys, what do you think of Acquire.Fi? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of M&A deals coming to the crypto sector? And also guys, remember this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'm simply reviewing the project. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video, as a lot of the information is time sensitive. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!